Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hetzner API tokens for server management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Hetzner API tokens for server management, start by visiting the Hetzner Cloud Console website. Log into your Hetzner account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the API tokens section. Click on the API tokens option to access the token management page. On the API tokens page, you will see a button labeled Generate Token. Click the Generate Token button to initiate the token creation process. A dialog box will appear, prompting you for a name and access levels for the token. Enter a descriptive name for your token to easily identify its purpose later. Select the appropriate permissions that your token will need based on your server management tasks. Double-check to ensure that you have selected the correct permissions. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on the Generate button to create the token. After the token is generated, it will appear on the list. Make sure to copy the token immediately, as it will not be displayed again for security reasons. Store the token securely in a password manager or a safe location. You can now use this token in your server management scripts or applications. If you ever need to revoke or regenerate a token, return to the API tokens page. Select the token you wish to manage and follow the on-screen prompts. This process ensures secure and efficient server management with Hetzner. You have successfully learned how to download Hetzner API tokens for server management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.